If you're feeling wired and tired, anxious or overwhelmed, or just mentally foggy, this 15-minute water element meditation will help you empty out stress and restore your nervous system. We'll focus on calming the sympathetic nervous system, or the fight and flight response, and recharge your parasympathetic nervous system, which is the place where your body heals, your body and mind can rest, and where you can find clarity and ease. So you can get cozy, you can lie flat on your back or lie with your legs against the wall. Whatever helps you feel safe and supported. I'll guide you through a gentle, embodied practice to soothe stored tension and to return to your natural rhythm. I've been specializing in chronic stress for several years, and one of the biggest mistakes we make when we're stressed is either doing too much or doing too little. So you might be overthinking, pushing yourself with intense movement or breath work, or even stressing out about stressing out and wanting to get better. Or maybe you're stiff, frozen, or too exhausted to do anything. Either way, the cycle continues. And if this sounds familiar, you're not alone. We're all doing the best we can with what we know. But real change starts when we shift how we relate to ourselves beneath the surface. So it's not just about what we do, it's why and how we do it. And modern life thrives off of this chronic stress loop, and it can feel impossible to break out of, wired but tired or too overwhelmed to care. You might even identify with certain chronic stress patterns, being hyper, argumentative, or always turned on, or perpetually exhausted, foggy, or anxious. This is what chronic stress looks like, and there's absolutely no shame in it. Chronic stress affects about 75% of the global population, and it's not just in your head. It impacts your whole system, your hormones, your digestion, your sleep, your joints, your immunity, and even your risk for chronic illness. But the truth is, by the time any chronic disease is diagnosed, the stress behind them has often been building for decades. And while causes vary, from diet and thoughts to family history and trauma, there's one universal medicine. It's activating your parasympathetic nervous system. This is where rest, healing, and clarity live. And this is what we're here to do in this meditation. We're working with the water element, which in traditional Chinese medicine governs your kidneys and adrenals, your deep reserves of energy, and your ability to feel courage in the face of fear. So in this practice, you'll recharge your nervous system, you'll balance your hormonal system, you'll tap into deep rest and presence, you'll restore your back body and your energy reserves, and you'll be emptying stress from your body and mind. So for this meditation, again, make sure that you're lying on your back, or you can lie with your legs against the wall. Make sure that you're comfortable, cozy, warm. You can use a pillow under your head or under your knees if that feels better. I'll also link my Yin Yoga in Bed video if you want more guidance with any postures that you can use in bed and use them for this meditation. And when you're ready for this meditation, let's begin. You can lie with your legs up against the wall for optimal restoration in this meditation, or you can lie flat on your back. Just make sure that you're warm and comfortable, using a pillow under your head to support your neck, or under your knees to support your lower back.
And once you're settled in, begin to feel your weight release into the support beneath you. And let yourself rest into that support. Allow your muscles to relax as you feel the weight of your bones release into gravity. Feel your breath moving in and out. And with each exhale, feel the weight of your body release even more. And begin to observe your breathing, noticing your natural tendencies and how you're breathing right now. Now allow your breath to gently slow down as you increasingly relax, feeling each breath in and each breath out. Move without any effort, washing over your body. And take some moments to continue to deepen into relaxation as your breath slows down and the transitions between the inhales and exhales smooth out, all without any effort, all with complete ease. And you can choose to place your hands onto your stomach, around the belly button. And as you breathe in, feel your belly expand into your hands. And on your exhales, feel your belly release back in toward the spine. If necessary, you can direct your breath into your hands. As you consciously breathe into your abdomen, feel how this takes you deeper into relaxation, resting your nervous system, releasing tension, allowing you to drop deeper and deeper into your body and deeper into rest. Feel how the more you relax, the more healing you give to yourself. All as you feel this breathing become completely natural and effortless. As you continue to feel your belly expand in and out, allow your inhales and exhales to lengthen to a slow 4 or 5 counts. Whatever feels most easeful and natural in this moment. And as you rest into this gentle, even breathing, notice how your counting is also slow and relaxed. You continue to take some moments with this. Gently begin to extend your exhales, letting your exhales lengthen up to 6 or 7 counts, allowing them to lengthen to a couple counts longer than your inhales. And feel your breathing naturally soften as you continue to cycle with this easy and longer exhale. And begin to let your exhales continue to lengthen to twice the length of your inhales. Feeling a soft and smooth transition between your inhales and your exhales. If this creates any tension or stress for you, simply let your exhales lengthen beyond your inhales to a comfortable extent. Letting both your inhales and your exhales feel soft and gentle. Feeling your belly gently expand in and out with your breath. As your breath continues to cycle with this gentle, longer exhale. And feel yourself resting deeper into your exhales. feeling yourself empty out. Emptying the weight of your body into gravity. Releasing down into the earth. Dropping down beyond the connection you feel with the support beneath you. Feeling the back of your body's connection with this support. And as you rest deeper into your exhales, feel an even deeper release of your weight, letting your bones rest heavily into gravity. And gently let your breath move naturally. Feeling the natural movement of your breath now. You may choose to simply fall asleep into a nap or for the night. Or remain in a meditative state. Letting your awareness rest into stillness in your body, down into the earth. Or if you choose, in your own time, taking your time, let yourself feel the sense of grounded presence, this sense of relaxation as you gently move into the rest of your day.